Hello everyone, welcome to my IoT project, and this is my project, a smart door. In this video, we are going to talk about this project, how to make it, what component is it, and what can we upgrade it in the future. And here is the component that I use in this project. The first one is Arduino Do-It DevKit V1 or ESP32 Do-It DevKit V1 that we use as a main board or motherboard to control every circuit. Next is male-to-male jumper wire. We won't use other type of jumper. Next one is the breadboard. The fourth one is the ultrasonic sensor to detect the person or the movement or any object when the door is locked. So they will send the information that there is someone inside the door that is locked. And for this one is the jack, DC jack that we use with 12 volt DC. This one is the 12 volt DC that will convert 220 volt into 12 volt DC for use with 12 volt solenoid lock. So we can use this everywhere that we want indoor. And here is my project. Here's my project. The ESP32 board connected to the adapter that convert the electricity from 220 volt into 12 volt for solenoid using. When you open by blink, you can control it by blink. And with all of this, I connected to a line API. So every time you control it from you lock it or open it, it will send information into line. And if you see this is ultrasonic sensor. Every time when you lock the door, if someone moving around here or make it detect, the smart door will send information that someone is breaking in. And that is my project. However, we are not finished yet. And here, I want you guys to look at this. This is the AI Thinker board that connected to camera. I will use this to upgrade my project. So in theory, if it works, we can take a picture and send into line too. Here is my experiment with my project. So this one is the experiment as you see from the beginning of the video. There's only one ESP board from the beginning, but now there's another board. Well, I have problem with this board, so I have to connect it this way. The idea is the same. As you lock it, if someone touch or near the sensor, ultrasonic sensor, and it detect it, it will send information into line that someone is trying to break into my room. However, this time, this board will send information to this board. This one is AI Thinker that connect to camera. So it will take a picture of the intruder and send into line. So I have to write code for two boards, like board 1 and board 2. The difference is just the information that it's just the sending information, and the board 2 will send connect to Wi-Fi and send it into line by itself. I will show you is it work or not. If it's not work, then it's not work. But this is just an experiment. If it's work, it's gonna be so cool.
One eternity later.
Yep, still not working. Not sure why, but it's still not working. I have found the main problem of this now. I think the camera didn't open at all, the board didn't open at all, so it didn't connect it to the internet. That's why it doesn't send any information, because it doesn't turn on at the first time. I will try again.
2,000 years later.
Well, I try and the camera is so dark, even I connect it. I don't know why, because there's a light, but yeah, the camera is so dark. It worked, kind of, but the problem is, it worked, but the problem is it's too dark, and when I combine with other component in circuit, it doesn't work anymore. So yeah, for this experiment I give up. But hey, this is not my project is already finished. So thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.